But how does he fit with our Bible? Well, let's go to the Bible. And you remember after the flood, God had told man, he said, Noah, you and your families, I want people all over the earth once again. Go. But that's not what man did. What did they do? They stayed together. In fact, in Babylon, they started building this huge tower to stay together. Oh, I know. What was this tower for? Well, it was not to worship God. In fact, we find out it was actually to worship the sun, the moon, and the stars, and the pagan gods. Now, it tells us at that time, the people only spoke one language. There was only one language in the world. Our God looked down and saw what these people were doing, and he says, I've got to break that up. So what did he do? Right? He wanted people out against the world, so he confused their languages. We believe, you're sitting there talking to your friend, just talking away, having a good time, and all of a sudden, well, you don't understand what your friend's saying anymore. He's just a babbling. You don't know what he's saying. We believe then that the people that understood the same language got together, and that became our tribes or nations, and then they started going out, dispersing out in different parts of the world, just as God wanted them to do. Neanderthal, we believe, was one of those tribes or nations of people. They went out north and went straight up and ran smack dab into an ice age. So we shared before, we believe the perfect conditions for ice age was shortly after the flood. Now you get up there, you need shelter of some kind. Where's it going to be a good place for shelter, temporary shelter? A cave. What they discovered is actually Neanderthals later started building tent structures in their caves and then taking those tents and moving out and started becoming more nomadic. In fact, a lot of scientists today believe, in fact, Neanderthal are the ancestors of some of the modern Europeans, the Scandinavians, and even maybe the German people. But again, what we know today is they were 100% man.